Hey guys, today I'd like to talk to you about flow. Now this is something which impacts every single area of a business, and if you can establish good flow with your business, things are going to work well. So what exactly am I talking about? Now imagine water running down a hill, okay? Now if it's running down and there are no obstacles in the way, you're going to have really good flow. So if it comes to getting people into your business and you've got a good stream of people coming in, that's great. If not, there are obstacles in the way and you've got to work to remove those obstacles. And in much the same way, flow impacts your employees. So, for example, if you are there in the background and you're micromanaging them, and I always say that micromanaging is a terrible thing to do. So when it comes down to it, if you're constantly badgering your employees, this is interrupting the flow of their work. They're not able to do their work in the way that they normally would. So what you've got to do is you've got to find all of the obstacles that are affecting your business in terms of supply. Are you getting supplies at the best possible deals? Yes or no? If you want to look at the flow of money, how much money are you spending on supplies? You've got water, gas, electricity, all of the things that your business will pay for. Are you getting the best value for these products? Because the thing is, let's say you can change around a couple of your suppliers. You can get better deals. You can put the money that you're saving from better deals into advertising, getting more people in, and increasing the flow of your business. And the more you make things easy for everybody, the easier it will be to run your business because you will have a lot less stress. So once you sort of work on your flow, hopefully everything will sort of come in and it will be a lot more functional. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful. You have a lovely day. Bye.